Okay guys, welcome back to Our World Outdoors. So today we are going to show you how to get to Airplane Rock in the Hocking State Forest.
Hocking Hill State Forest.
It's the Hocking State Forest, Hocking Hill State Forest. Anyways, what you do is you're gonna go 664 north like you're going to the caves. Turn right on Big Pine Road. Take it out until you get to Hockman Road on your right. And you're going to take that 3/4 of a mile, and then you'll come to a sign with an arrow that points to the left, and that is Airplane Rock's parking. So then you'll be in this parking lot, and we'll show you from here how to go, and we'll take you to see Airplane Rocks.
I just want to let everybody know, in every area there's a lot of different, these little trails that are kind of unmarked, unknown. We're going to bring you as many as we can around our area. But make sure you guys are investigating, because I'm telling you, there's a lot of neat things that we have found that we didn't even know was in our backyard practically. So look around, check them out.
So when you get to the bottom of the hill at the service road, you make a left on the horse trail. You'll see like a little white piece of plastic sticking out of the ground with a little horse guy and horsey on it. Turn left there, go out there, and we've come up back here, and we've seen 2 or 3 spots where water goes over the hill, makes falls, and we're traveling around. So make sure you make that left at the There's always got to be one tree that's got to be different. You can't just play by the rules, can you, Mr. Tree? Jeez. I think you have a bad attitude, tree. I think you need to stand here and think about what you've done. Jeez. You should be ashamed of yourself. All the other trees know how to play by the rules, except you. Man, I'm disappointed in you. you sit there and you think about what you've done. Okay, so they've turned the white blazes to like an orange painted over them, and you got to make a right down here and you'll see a giant cave. We're going down and check out the giant cave. So you got to go down this hill. Once again, it's on your right.
Hi, so we just went in the cave back there, and it is absolutely huge. This is just off the horse trails. Not sure what the name of it is or anything. If anyone knows what the name is, please put it in the comments below because we'd like to know. But it is as huge as a house back in there. It's amazing. So, got to check it out. Didn't even know it was here. Okay, so we came from that way, and then we took the horse trail down that way, and we showed you the cave and the waterfalls. But now we're back to the road. We're going to continue on down this way to Airplane Rocks. Let's go.
Okay, so as you guys are coming up to see Airplane Rock, you walk a road right next to the pipeline, and then it's going to actually cross the pipeline. And then on back, you're going to come to a latrine, and there's picnic tables on the other side of the latrine, and that's how you know you're getting real close. So we're going to walk down here and get you some shots of Airplane Rock. So what you didn't see is back here before the latrine shot, I rolled the heck out of my ankle, and I mean rolled it good. So when you see me gingerly walking out there on Airplane Rock, it's just because I don't trust my ankle right now. And a fall there would probably bring us both down and over the hill. I've actually sat down at this pine tree right here off to the side so I could shoot. And my wife grounded me. She says I gotta stay here. She went to explore some more. There's some other rock outcroppings out there. But I can't really argue with her. I've already had that ankle surgically repaired, so best to just sit here and enjoy the view. You guys have got to come here and check this out. This is amazing. It kind of gives you the feel of Conkle's Hollow, but it's way more open. It's really amazing. I can't believe I never knew this was here.
Okay, so we'll get back with you at the truck. Tony's already rolled his ankle, and really there's not much to see. We've already, did it on the way out. So we're just going to get him back to the truck, and we'll get back with you then. Okay, so we're back at the truck. We did figure out the name of the cave. We got cell phone service. The name of the cave is Chapel Cave or 21 Horse Cave. I guess it has two names. So pretty interesting. Whenever you go there and you go back to the falls, the trail dead ends there, just so you know. You have to turn around and go back out the other way. If you go the way we went, it is approximately 6 miles round trip. If you just want to go to Airplane Rocks, you can follow straight down that road, and it's about a 3.5 mile trip, round trip. It's 1.65 there and 1.65 or so back out. So about 3.5 miles. Tony twisted his ankle, so he's in the truck. Drinking my Diet Coke.
Hi, Coke.
I gotta go take my Coke away from him. See you in the next one.